Hey guys, we're back with a massive foldable news. This might just be Samsung's craziest design ever. We have a first design look of Samsung Galaxy Fold S, aka the tri-folding Galaxy foldable phone. Courtesy of Let's Go Digital, this new Samsung patent shows off the working of this tri-folding design and also some surprises that we did not expect. So we have a huge tablet screen with quad cameras and quad speakers up front. And as you can see by the marker on each side of the display, that is where both displays can fold inward. Now once both displays are closed, towards the back we actually have a magnetic strip that allows the S Pen to get attached. According to this patent, there's actually no dedicated S Pen slot, so it makes sense for them to have some kind of a magnetic solution, and you can see by the size of the S Pen, it's a full-on big S Pen that can attach to the back of the device. In case you missed the previous videos, Samsung actually showed off a concept of a tri-folding smartphone, and now, thanks to this patent, it's pretty much a confirmation that Samsung is indeed working on this crazy project. As for the final real product, we might actually get a glimpse of a prototype of this phone at the Galaxy Fold 3 launch event. It's kinda hard to believe that we are already at a third generation of foldable phone with the Galaxy Fold 3. It'll rock a stronger design, IP rating, underskin cameras, S Pen. It's all good, but again, Samsung as we know them, they're not gonna stop there. This is their eventual future. Also in the news, we have a massive leak regarding the Samsung PC Unpacked event that is happening on 28th April. Samsung will be unveiling its most powerful Galaxy ever, and on top of that, there will be some other surprises. According to Roland, we actually got a pricing leak for Samsung's Galaxy Book Go. Apparently, it's going to be super duper affordable. The report mentions that Galaxy Fold S will rock a price point of just $349. That is hella cheap considering what this device will offer. We'll be seeing a full HD display, Windows 10, ARM-based Snapdragon PC processor, all for just $350. It's actually a pretty good deal. Now speaking of good deals, we just got our best look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. My man concept creator just dropped a brand new trailer for the S21 FE showing off the full design, and of course it is all based on the recent leak provided by OnLeaks. It's rocking a design that is a mixture of Galaxy S20 FE and the Galaxy S21, but with a lot more colors. We could possibly see a 120Hz LTPO screen on this phone, better cameras, even bigger battery, and of course, flagship grade processors aka Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2100. The S21 FE will likely cost about the same price as last year's Galaxy S20 FE, which is about $699, but similar to last year, there might be some awesome deals, and during the pre-order time, Samsung might even price it at $599, making it $100 cheaper. So yeah, I'm super excited. This is definitely Samsung's prime candidate for the phone of the year. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later.